I'm Connor with GME Supply, and in this video, I'll explain how you can get the exact gear you want and save big with our build your own tower climbing kits. In the at-height industries, equipment can be a divisive subject. On one hand, everyone has their personal preference when it comes to harnesses, helmets, and lanyards. But on the other hand, equipment managers have budgets and company standards to uphold. And that's where we come in. Here at GME Supply, we have dozens of tower climbing kits, varying in price and equipment included. Plus, if we don't have the pre-configured kit to meet your needs, we proudly offer a build-your-own tower climbing kit option. With this option, you can get everything you need on a tight budget, outfit your crew with the best gear available, or choose a kit somewhere in between. With nearly 32,000 possible combinations, the options are endless. Right now, we'll walk you through what that process looks like and explain some of the equipment you get to choose from. First, click the link in the description below or go to gmesupply.com and search Build Your Own Tower Climbing Kit. On the product page, you'll see 8 drop-down menus for each category. These categories are harness, helmet, lanyard, positioning lanyard, cable safety sleeve, bag package, RF monitor, and additional packages you can include like connectors or accessories. Within each drop-down menu are your available gear options, some of them with different size and color options to choose from. Next to many of the products, you'll notice a number. That number indicates the additional expense of that product from the base package. So you can easily cherry pick the gear you're willing to spend a little more on, while cutting back on the equipment that might not be as important to you, or even leave it out completely if it's not marked as a required field. As you make your selections, the price at the bottom will reflect exactly how much the kit is going to cost based on those options. Our Build Your Own Tower Climbing Kit allows you to create kits tailor-made to each crew or individual, and you can get premium gear options while still operating on a budget. If the Build Your Own Tower Climbing Kit still doesn't have enough customization for you, don't hesitate to call our gear experts and work with us to create the perfect solution for you. To see all of our tower climbing kits or build your own tower climbing kit, head over to gmesupply.com today. If you enjoyed this video, click that like button and subscribe to our channel. If there's any topic or piece of gear you want us to cover in a future video, drop a comment below. Also, check out our podcast, Gear Up with Gear Experts, a show dedicated to at-height industry and construction. Find it at gearexperts.com.